Hello students, we all know about the practical application of science in our daily lives. When you were in class 9, you had studied about the cleansing action of soap. And today, when the world is fighting a global pandemic in terms of the coronavirus, you are constantly advised to wash your hands for 20 seconds. Have you ever thought that what you had studied in class has become so relevant today? So let us recall and revise what you had studied in class and how washing your hands with soap is helping in preventing this disease. In order to prevent and protect yourself from COVID-19, you are being advised to distance yourself socially from other people and maintain personal hygiene. You have been told to wash your hands thoroughly with soap for at least 20 seconds, and if soap is not easily available, you can also clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. But before we understand how soap is helpful in fighting the coronavirus, we must actually understand the structure of a soap molecule. A soap molecule is a big molecule. Chemically, it is a sodium or potassium salt of long chain acids. Now, each soap molecule consists of a head and a tail. If you pay attention to the diagram, the head consists of the hydrophilic part, means it has a love for water, whereas the tail is a long non-polar tail and it is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means it has a fear for water, or it does not want to align itself towards other water molecules. So what happens when a soap molecule comes in contact with an oil molecule or a dirt particle? The hydrophobic tail part of the soap molecule, which repels against the water molecules, they orient towards the oil or the dirt particle. The hydrophilic head part is oriented away from the dirt particle and arranges itself towards facing the water molecules. Together they form a huge cluster of molecules which are known as micelles. Thus, each oil particle is surrounded by various soap molecules and it forms a giant molecule which is called a micelle. The interaction between soap molecules and the oil droplets causes it to break up into various small globules and is then washed away with water. Now the question arises that how does a soap molecule help in fighting the coronavirus? The answer lies in the structure of the virus. If you look at the diagram of the virus, it has a lipid bilayer. This is an outer covering of the coronavirus, and this lipid bilayer is actually oily in nature. This will give you a clue to your question. So now, when the soap molecules come in contact with the coronavirus, the hydrophobic tail part of the soap molecules surround the virus and breaks the lipid oily bilayer. When soap comes in contact with these fatty substances, it binds with them and causes them to disconnect from the virus. It also forces the virus to disengage from the skin. Thus, in the fight between the soap molecules and the coronavirus, the winner is the soap molecule. It breaks into the outer lipid bilayer of the coronavirus and makes it ineffective. Now that you understand the importance of washing your hands thoroughly, you must constantly remain alert. You must wash your hands with soap and running water when they are visibly dirty, or if you have touched common areas like door handles, the switches of lifts, counters of shops, etc. Even if your hands are not visibly dirty, do not forget to frequently clean them with an alcohol-based hand rub or with soap and water if you are at home. Thank you and stay safe.